Hi, welcome to Sumery P. Today I've got a video on my banana muffins made with spelt flour, or you can swap it out for regular flour. They're moist and light and so quick to whip up. Only 10 minutes to make and 20 minutes to bake. So come with me and let's see. So first step, turn your oven on so it's preheated. I've got a fan so it's on 170 degrees. And then we're going to take 4 bananas. I've got 4 little ones, which is, I've weighed them with their skin on, and that's 450 grams. I'm doing it all by hand today just to show you how easy it is. So we just set that aside. Now I've got 1 egg and 1/4 cup or 60 mils of oil. I've got sunflower oil, or you can use melted butter or coconut oil. So 1 egg and the oil. So I'm just going to add that to our mashed banana. Now I've got some sugar. I've got 1/2 cup of light brown sugar plus 3 tablespoons, which is 120 grams. Then I'm adding my favourite spelt flour, pre-sifted some wholemeal spelt flour, which is 1 cup or 150 grams. Just before I throw it in, I'm going to add in my leavening agents just into the flour and mix it through before we pop it into the bowl. So I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of bicarb soda. I'm just whisking that together to combine it. Not completely necessary, but I always like adding cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, because I love cinnamon in everything. And a pinch of salt. Just adds, don't know what it adds, a little saltiness. Throw in our sifted flour. So our muffin batter is all mixed, and I'm using a 12-cup muffin tray. I ran out of cupcake papers today, so I've greased my tray, and we're just going to pop it into the greased tray. So I'm using my small ice cream scoop. I've cleaned up, they're ready to pop in the oven, so we're going to bake them for 20 minutes. My muffins are out and they smell amazing. So I've just checked them with the little skewer. Comes out clean. That was 20 minutes, that's all. And I've got a little spatula, and because I don't have paper cases, I need to just help them around the edge so they come out nice and clean. Let them cool for a few more minutes. So here we have our muffins. Let's do a taste test. I'll try this one. Okay, look at this muffin. It's so spongy and moist and light, yum. And the recipe is really adaptable. If you didn't want to use spelt flour, use regular flour, or you can use self-raising flour and just leave the baking powder and the bicarb soda out of it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Thank you for stopping by and taking the time. If you're new here today, consider subscribing to my channel. All you need to do is have a Google account, hit the bell, and then you get notified as soon as my video is released. I'm doing videos every Monday and every Friday. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye.